Today we're taking a closer look at the front sway bar links for the 2006 to 2008 four-wheel drive Ram 1500, regular cab and quad cab, as well as the 2009 to 2013 four-wheel drive Ram 1500s and the 2014 to 2018 Ram 1500. This upgrade is perfect for Ram 1500 owners seeking to enhance their vehicle's handling and stability by replacing some worn out or damaged sway bar links with durable, high-quality components designed for improved performance. These front sway bar links are engineered to restore and improve the handling of your Ram 1500. Sway bar links in general play a crucial role in reducing that body roll during cornering, enhancing the vehicle's stability, and providing a more comfortable ride. Upgrading to these sway bar links ensures that your suspension system functions properly, especially if your factory links are worn out or have failed over time. The robust construction helps prevent premature wear and failure, offering a longer service life compared to those standard components. The design of these links allows for efficient transfer of the forces across the suspension system, contributing to improved handling and responsiveness. For 1500 owners who have modified their suspension or frequently engage in towing, hauling, or anything like that, these upgraded sway bar links provide the necessary support to maintain proper suspension geometry and vehicle stability. They're an ideal option for those of you looking to enhance your truck's performance and safety. Constructed from very high-strength materials, these sway bar links are designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving and those off-road adventures, as well as towing. Built with durability in mind, the front bar sway links feature high-quality steel construction with a corrosion-resistant finish to protect against rust and environmental damage. This heavy-duty design ensures that the links can handle increased loads and stresses, making them suitable for both on and off-road applications. The precision engineered components ensure a perfect fit and reliable performance, restoring the original handling of your Ram 1500. As far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that $100 price range for the pair of two sway bar links. This is an affordable upgrade that offers significant improvements in handling and stability for worn out links, making it a cost-effective solution for maintaining your truck's suspension system. Installation on these are nice and straightforward, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 1 hour of your time. These sway bar links are designed as direct replacements for the factory components and require no special tools or any modifications. Now, let's head on out to the shop and they can give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you'll need a ratchet, 9/32 and 8mm sockets, a 15mm wrench, 16 and 18mm ratcheting wrenches, and a pair of channel locks. Also not shown here is the jack and jack stands. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing some sway bar links on our Ram, so let's get started. So we've got the truck in the air, we've got the wheels off, and the first thing we're going to do is disconnect the sway bar from the link itself. That's going to be this top joint with the nut. So we're going to grab our 9/32 socket on a ratchet and a 16mm ratchet wrench and get that top nut off. So we'll get our ratchet on first, we'll get our socket on, crack this loose. Remove our nut, and we can remove our washer. These tend to get a little jammed up on here, so you might have to wiggle them around a little bit. Get that off. And we can remove our top bushing. Now you want to do this for both sides so that your sway bar can be pushed up out of the way. Now for our lower mounting point on our lower control arm, we're going to use an 18mm ratcheting wrench and an 8mm socket. Remove your nut and remove your end link. So now once you've got this side off, you can do the same thing for the other side. Now we can install our new end links. Now the side that goes into the lower control arm on this is going to be the more traditional ball joint side, and the double bushing side is going to be for your sway bar itself. So we'll get this side in first. So we'll get this installed, get our supplied flange nut in on the bottom. We're just going to get this hand tight for a moment. far as it'll go. Then you want to do the same thing for the other side while you're at this point. Now we'll line up the upper portion of our link, bring that down, install our bushing. We might have to press down pretty firmly on this. We'll get our washer and our lock nut on the top. That's started. You can do that same thing on the other side. So now we can begin tightening down our end links. Now for this bottom one, we're gonna need to grab hold of the ball joint itself to keep it from spinning. Now there is a very thin hex on this side. If you have a thin enough wrench, you can use that. However, you can use some pliers or channel locks and very gently squeeze on this. Just make sure you don't mess up your boot. And we'll use our 18mm ratchet wrench to tighten this down. Now to tighten down our top nut, we're going to need a 15mm wrench to hold on to this shaft and our 16mm ratchet wrench. Now once you've got this side on, you can do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install on our front sway bar links for 06 to 08 four-wheel drive Ram 1500 regular cab, quad cab, and 09 to 13 four-wheel drive Ram 1500, and 14 to 18 Ram 1500. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.